Hey everybody, I want to do a quick hands-on with these indoor-outdoor string lights from COMTIFYER. You can see, even though we are here kind of at sunset, these things are really bright. And what's really impressive is the power that these use are a lot less than what you would find with most of the string lights that are available. So they are much more energy efficient, and they last a lot longer because they're not drawing so much power. Installation was actually really easy. Everything comes in one piece here. I believe this whole string as a whole is, I want to say 35 feet. Obviously, check the product description to make sure I'm right on that. But you just, plug it in any outlet. Mine happens to be up here, which is really nice. If you're down below, you can just run, an extension cable up. If this one isn't long enough here, I need to tidy up these wires a little bit. But you can see the controller box right there, 100% waterproof, and you can just easily nail it in. Or if you didn't want to nail, you could use some Velcro or something like that. But you press that button, and by default, this is like the default nice soft white, very relaxing feel that it comes with. And then you can connect it to your phone to where you can control through a lot of colors. In fact, if you didn't want to use a phone at all, maybe you just hate smartphones, you're getting it for someone who doesn't want to deal with all of that stuff, they can just, you would want that controller box to be a little bit lower, but they can just press the button over and over, and it will actually change the colors, which I'll show you in a minute because I'm going to do it for my phone here. But yeah, it's waterproof, so it's great for outdoors. You connect it into here, and this thing actually has the ability to easy extension right here, which again, I need to tidy up a little bit better, but you can connect up to 2 more on this set. So you can get a total of 3 of these if you need that much on one outlet. If you need to do more than 3, then I would highly suggest using multiple outlets and not connecting them or anything like that, just because you don't want to overload a certain power supply there. So that is a little bit of the power details. Now let me, and then of course, one of the best parts actually was, like I said, the installation was easy because I didn't have to buy any extra hooks. Check this out. They've got these right there built in. It's kind of like this rubber, very tough rubber material. So I just went ahead and over here, you can see this one's kind of, I got to tidy up a little bit, but you can just nail into the wood and then, pop those on. Or if you have any other types of hooks that you can just hook those in, very easy to to hang up wherever you would like. Now let me show you the app that we have here. So I've got it connected already, and I'm going to click into it, and you can see right now I've got the default white, and you can see that if I want them to be not so bright, sorry, I got a big phone here. There we go. I'm going to turn those down, and you can see how they adjust here. So we're going to go on max brightness there, and if I want to change the colors, you can see how easy it is. I'm going to go blue here. Go some purple, red, yellow. I mean, every color you can imagine, it's all right here. So let's actually just go back to the white here for a second, or I guess you could say very soft white, just with the color temperature that they have. It's a very relaxing one. You can also do little stuff like scribble. So I could pick a color here and scribble in some blue, I guess, just like that. And you can see, boom. The light bulbs that I selected, those change. Or you can turn off certain bulbs or keep them on. So we'll just go back to the main one here, but I might need to, yeah, there we go. Everything's all reset. They also have a mode here where they have just a bunch of preset themes that change, and you can of course create your own and save them if you have music playing and you want the lights to actually dance and kind of go to the rhythm of the music that it hears. And then you can also set timers or a countdown. So if I know that I'm only going to be out here for an hour and I don't want to bother turning it off, I can have it auto turn off after a certain amount of time, or I can create a timer saying hey, every 8 o'clock every Friday and Saturday, I know I'm going to be out here, and when that time actually hits, I want it to play this Willows scene right here. And now you're ready to roll with these different scenes there. So that's a little bit about these lights. Very easy to use app, and you can obviously connect it to your favorite smart home assistant like Alexa or Google Home, all these different things. Again, great set here. I'll get some shots in the dark, which hopefully you're looking at right now, that kind of give you a better idea of what this can look like. But if you are looking to decorate either the insides or outside of your home or business with these, it's a great choice.